Hey everybody, I have a stunning property for you to see today. I'm going to take you through on a video tour. Call us if you have any questions. This one has 2.5 acres with an ADU built on it, so I hope you enjoy it. All right, starting off, there's the property. I'm going to go through that in just a second. I'm going to run through this lot real fast for you. This property is 3288 Northwest Happy Hollow Lane, Silverdale, Washington. It's a 3-bed, 2.5 bath, 1,600 square foot home with a 1,000 square foot ADU right next to this. 2.5 acres and tons of upgrades. Very well taken care of. Very quiet neighborhood coming in and just in the evening, as you can hear now. So I'll shut my trap throughout some of this, but I will explain some of the details. Your entry is right over there. Right here is RV parking. You travel around to get in here. And that way you can just enjoy your beautiful landscaping throughout the whole property. Beautiful, tall, well taken care of rose bushes, one here, one down there, and then you have all these garden beds that are built on the hillside. So if you're a gardener in this day and age, there's a lot of them. A lot of us going out there, tons of them. So I'll walk you through. As you can see right there, we have an air conditioning heat pump, a kid's little stair or rock climber. It's like 4 garden beds per section. 5 sections. Another beautiful rose bush. Very kind neighbors I met. Down here we have chicken coop, and what the previous owners used it for was for dogs. So it's kind of a dog run area with covered shelter. They also have a chicken coop in there. Then you have this whole fenced in grass area for sheep, goat, horses, more dog run. This is all part of the property. Then your side entrance to the back's down there, ADU, and your main property. Nice flat areas just for enjoying, or if you want to build more gardens. You have a stamped polished concrete as your back patio area. It also has a lot of custom metalwork. The previous owner owned a company that did this kind of work, so you have high quality metal fabrication throughout the property, outside and inside, handrails, stuff of that nature. I'll go through, let's go through the ADU first. ADU has its own back deck with aluminum handrails. Daylight room. The light doesn't work here, but plenty of storage behind the ADU. From the back of the ADU, you walk in, pantry / laundry room. Beautiful farm wood floors. You kind of have like a do what you will area, storage room. Open concept, vaulted ceilings, skylights, top of the line fixtures, under cabinet lighting, butcher board countertops. Then the bedroom for the ADU. Skylight, vaulted ceilings. You have a walk-in closet. regular closet, an additional closet with your brand new water heater. The main bathroom for the ADU. The shower stall, very large shower stall, so if a tub is necessary, you could probably remodel to have it fit in here, but for now this works great. And to the beginning of the property where most people start, I like to end here. As you can see, there's just absolute serenity, quietness, lots of wildlife out here, well-kept landscaping throughout the whole property. Roof, siding, all that is in great shape. Obviously, you'll determine yourself. The inspector will tell you how much it's well taken care of. The main property, we have some vinyl hardwood floors, crown molding white trim, 3-inch trim on the bottom. Again, here's some more of that custom metal work that was done throughout the property. Little dining room, your main kitchen, beautiful stone backsplash, quartz countertop, stainless steel appliances, and then your backyard entry. Take you upstairs to the main bedrooms. Bedroom number 1. Closet. Bedroom number 2. Mirror image bedrooms. And then your main bath. And then your master. Large enough for a California king. You have his and her closets on each side. And then a custom master bathroom. Beautiful stone tile work within the shower with multiple range shower heads and body sprays. As we go downstairs to the lower level, you have another family room. My suggestion, take the top of this wall out so it can breathe a little bit and you can communicate a little better. Gas fireplace with your own entertainment center setup, conduits, the plug-ins, everything you need. Understairs stowaway, half bath in this area with your laundry room. Bright lit garage. Brand new water heater. And that's it. That is the property. Great opportunity to capture a home with serenity, surroundings, 2.5 acres, an ADU for family, friends, guests, or potential income. Very well taken care of. Many upgrades throughout the home. Great landscaping. If you have any questions or would like to tour the property, give us a shout out. We'd be happy to help you out. Thanks.